Hi guys, it's Brit. Welcome to another Around the Year tutorial. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make some homemade Valentine's Day treats, chocolate hearts. You will need chocolate. I'm using white chocolate and milk chocolate, a pot of hot water, 2 glass bowls, a small hard cookie cutter, some piping bags. These are homemade parchment paper piping bags. If you want to make your own, there are tons of tutorials on the internet. Desiccated coconuts, a pen, and parchment paper. So let's get started. First of all, using the cookie cutter, we're going to trace some hearts onto one side of the parchment paper. The tracings will help us later to get accurate chocolate hearts. Once done, we can turn the paper over. Because we've used parchment paper, our heart tracings will show on the other side as well, which is just what we want. Now it's time to melt the chocolate. To do that, we'll put one of our glass bowls into the hot water, and then we'll put the chocolate into the bowl. When melting chocolate, be careful no water splashes into your chocolate bowl, or else your chocolate will get dull and doesn't melt properly. Now we'll just wait for a few minutes until our chocolate is melted. Once your chocolate is melted, here comes the fun part. Fill your chocolate into the piping bags, closing it by folding down the top. Snip off a tiny bit of the tip, and then you can begin piping little hearts onto the parchment paper, using the hearts we drew earlier as a guide. Now it's time to decorate. For decoration, you can sprinkle the chocolate hearts with desiccated coconuts, contrasting chocolate chips, or you can add a few drops of contrasting chocolate, and using a toothpick you can then create some swirls to create a marble effect. Once done, give them plenty of time to set, and after that, they're ready to eat. Thank you for watching, guys. For more tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, and I wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. See you next time. Bye bye.